Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Bulb here. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix lock toner on any iPhone device. If you are having these kind of the problems, then easily without doing a jailbreak at your homes, no hassle, you can fix it. So this device came at my shop today at the morning times, but right now I'm unlocking with one tutorial also. Maybe beneficial for someone who is especially interested or especially interested to unlock the particular who is having this kind of the problem that this device was lost and erase everything. So this activation lock prevents anyone who is not owner from using this device. So either you are not a genuine owner of any particular device or the device is installed and lost, blacklisted. Don't worry. In a situation, you will have to apply a similar strategy. So don't skip ahead, guys. Every step is very crucial. So first and foremost, we will go for run as administrations iTunes. Let's access the data by virtue of iTunes in a cloud data and Apple data. What's it saying that after accessing? So here is a iPhone symbol cam here. Data cable has been connected. Right now, see here. It's a saying lock to owners fines, and similar it is a saying that a lost erase enter the polite and password that's what I used to set up this device. We don't know actually ID and password behind it. If we disconnect, once again if we connect after accessing the data, what's the saying message? If it confirms that this is locked to owner, then it happens sometimes also when we entered multiple times wrong passcode, screen passcode I mean, then of course it's going to erase everything and stacked on a especially locked owner. So easily without any chairs, but free of course you can fix it at your home. See carefully. First and foremost, we will go for iTunes as administrations, then we'll go for open a 3U tool now. This is the second tool, that is your requirement, guys. So now see here, there should be no SIM card. One thing remind your brain that there should be no SIM card, otherwise it will trap. By execution this strategy, it will trap that SIM card will not be valid. So there should be no SIM card, and sometimes also it will be not unlocked. So just we will tap on a toolbox now, guys. Here in toolbox we have a one options, and that is a crash analysis. Of course we will tap on it and we will delete all the retaining data that is inside of this device, and due to that this device is locked to order, because whatever the content or redundant files folders spontaneously of course retaining apps and application, due to that it's going to link. So just we will cut it from here after deleting from here. Now we will attack on Safari, especially the browser, to the clear. So now where it is, just we have one feature, that is real-time logs of course. Now see here, now we will clear these real-time logs. So make it export. No, we don't want to export, so just we will clear. So at least 20 times we will have to clear. So see here, yes, clear, clear. At least 20 times we will have to clear, guys. So almost see here, it's going to clear, fines. Now we will back one more time and refresh, so that fresh data will be attracted to the clear here. Now see till the date of today is coming. So now we'll make it pass, we will go for clear, and almost it has been clear. So just we will close it. Now this is a third tool that we will have to use here, that is a especially imaging PC by free of course. In this tool also you can apply trial version, no problem at all. So now see, this phone has been connected, we will use a trial mode, we will remind me later, and we will fresh it one more time here. So now see here, it's detected. Just we will come on a show device console, and here we will have to clear. Guys, multiple device we have been unlocking in a day by a similar strategy. So surely 99% is of course you will be able to terminate permanently or fix it permanently. Now see, at least 20 times we will have to clear, clear, clear. Now see here, this is especially data that is being accumulated by this tool here. Yes, we are trying to clear. One more time we will press after 10 times clearings. Watch carefully, guys. Here, don't miss any step. Otherwise, of course, maybe you will have the problems that you won't be especially. So don't miss any step. Every step is very crucial. So now see, almost here. Keep accumulating on the other hand. Of course, we will tap on especially our EC mode. Hit this one. Let it clear. Now we will close this. Almost it has been declared. Yes, almost we will close this also. Imaging PC tools. Now here we will close here everything. So now we all have the close. Now only when the iTunes has been. So here just we will click on especially. See, for your more confirmations, we will open a iTunes, sorry, 3U tool, and here we would like to show you here. See, we will come a smart flash, a smart flash 2, of course, we will refresh, and now see here, there are a lot of the beta versions, any out of them, especially you can pick it, yeah. So, what should I, just we will go with especially 26.0.9 beta version, so here, this is the last one, 6A, 13.2. so this one's here, what we will do guys here, directly we can import or we can especially here, see, we can go with especially download here. Here is also options to download, but don't select here retain user data. We will select the quick flash mode. We will try to import especially. So I have kept this firmware after downloading because the total size is approximately 9 GB, so that's why actually guys here. So now see, yes, we will now see this beta version will be a must because similar beta version that I had downloaded. Now that we can close this special item, no problem at all. Now it's verifying. Keep selecting here quick flash mode. Don't select the anti-recovery or don't select the retain user data. Don't select also fix flash. According to the requirement situation, we will have to access especially a particular feature. Right now we will have to pick especially quick flash mode, so it's a verifying, and after verifying, so then we will execute this, and 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial. That will be very crucial and important for us guys here. So right now say it's verifying. After verifying, so this device has been stuck on a recovery right now, so let it complete very well. So now see here 98% is done, 99 now successfully imported. We have selected this one, so just we will go for approach. Don't select here fix battery health during the flash and hit this one, so it has been the restore especially recovery to exit in normal mode, and thereupon it will access to install this firmware. And after installing, so there will be no retaining any data. Due to that, especially can be linked, either it is coming this locked links from the Apple database server or cloud database server. Don't worry, everything can be fixed easily. Do a similar strategy guys, and if any problem here will come, so then we will try to fix it. Watch carefully step by step. Don't skip guys. We have this on a 22%, so almost within the 20 minutes we will have to fix it. So how much minute we have taken, especially 8 to 9 minutes almost. So further we will see, everything is in front of you, timer is going on. So now watch carefully. Now we have rested directly on a 40%, guys. See here how fastly it's working. So use of course operating system 11 with especially good RAM that should be especially more than 8 GB of your PC or laptops, because multiple especially apps and application we will have to use in a one time. That I use the especially 3U tool, Imaging PC and iTunes. Now without touching on this device, I will show you at the end of this tutorial. I will transfer the new applied in password on it without having any especially initial stage manually operating guys. Yes, directly we would transfer with one new Apple ID with password directly, and we can enjoy as a new ones. Now we can, of course, we will have to delve us to especially this customer. So almost see 50% we have completed. Further we will see. I don't know is it visual or not, but Watch carefully and please adjust. The camera quality is not good ones, but however, now we are the trying to see here. Two more devices today we will have to unlock. So let's see what's going to happen. Almost more than 50% is we have completed. Look at on the physical, especially this device. Two, three crucial, especially precaution that also I would like to deliver to you guys here. During the flashing process, the device may restart multiple times, so please don't unplug the device or don't disconnect the device, otherwise it will stuck on a similar situation, that is the Apple logo. How do you fix the Apple logo? That tutorial I have already uploaded. So all the iOS related issues, yes, you can fix on these channels. So if you are a beneficiary of iPhone's device, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share of these channels, because it will be very helpful in your futures. If any errors or any kind of the issues is coming down. Now here, almost we can see here it is coming, but there it has a stack. So don't worry guys, until it's not notifying the any error, don't disconnect. Just we will have to peace and calm and use a data cable that should be a good quality. So this is the old one, but of course it's totally functional, so I used this ones now. And do everything on immovable, especially place guys. There should be no any movement, otherwise if data cable or CPU or a desktop, if it will move, so then maybe a chances to a disconnect off, and if it will disconnect, then it will stack on a Apple logo. Third things guys, always use the internet connections, because the 3U tool also totally depended or functioning on a Apple database or cloud database, so it's always connected with the server. So if there will be no proper connection, then you will have problems. Fourth things, that try to firstly download iOS latest beta version or IPSW or firmware. Firmware, these or iOS can be downloaded from some various websites. One is ipsw.beta.coms, ipsw.coms, and third is www.3u.coms, and fourth is that is apple.com itself especially. So many websites from anywhere, so you can have the firmware, but you will have to apply with the 3U tools. Sometimes automatically it will be unlocked guys, no problem at all when we connect with the iTunes, because sometimes needed also especially to have a good configuration in a cloud data and Apple data when it will connect with the internet and then. But one thing more here, there should be no SIM card, because if you are not sure that your device is stolen, lost, blacklisted, then there should be no SIM card inside of it. And of course, use a customized Wi-Fi internet connections. Now here, see, we have a connected internet, and you should have a second internet connection also, because if it disconnects or any error will come, so then we will use at that point. Now don't look on a especially a screen, look at on the physicals. More than 95% is we have a completed here. But here we can see how much percentage it is. It is scarcely 68%. Don't worry, it will go directly, or maybe a jump from especially 90, 95 to 98, or maybe 100%. But it will notify you any error will come in them, and if it will be a succeed, then also it will notify you. Don't worry. All the driver tools you can pick it, yes, from the description box within one click. So because if we don't give a links in there, then you will have a especially problem to search and go on a particular website. So that's why actually directly you can pick from the description, directly you will be go on a official website, and you can of course download it. Download, install, and these all are a free version. So of course the 3U tool is not a chargeable, not a paid version, and imaging PC also. So now see, it has congratulated, and here clean flash has been completed here is the same. So Don't click do anything, just we will wait for a batch activation here. So where it is, this is a batch activation which is especially designed to escape the setting of the region, language, Wi-Fi, Apple ID, Face ID, Touch ID. So now it's a matter of the Apple ID. It is a link to particular ID or not. If it is, however, we will see here. We will skip the everything, especially by execution of it. So just we are waiting when it will be highlighted. Within a 20 seconds, we will have to apply it. So yes, yeah. So it has been highlighted. Fine, we will go for here, click, select all, we will go for executes in this one. So now it has started to initiate here. On the other hand, we can see activating and skipping the whole setup. So we will have to wait 1 to 2 minutes. Sometimes it will take a 3 minute also to succeed of it. If any error will come, so then we will change the internet connection. Once again, we will start to execute these things. Then surely it will works. And however, it will error is coming, so then what we will have? We will have to use the customized virtual private networks of sales area of any iPhones. We will have to find out the sales area. What's the actual sales area of any iPhone? So suppose this phone belongs to Hong Kong, so then of course we will have to customize the PC, laptop setup, yes, internet connections, yes, of the Hong Kong, so that there will be good configurations to fix it. Otherwise, probability 2 to 5% is maybe a chance to have the error, but surely it will give you error when the SIM card is inside it. So be alert for us. There should be no SIM card, guys. Now just the waiting here, see any kind of the result or any error will come, so then surely we will fix it. But no error came here, directly both succeeded here. So just we will go for OK, and here is the option that deactivations. So just we will go for here. Select especially select all options. We will go for here. This one it will ask you here. See, it's counting 10 seconds, so we will have to wait here down 10 seconds, and then of course the activations option will be especially highlighted. So now that we can execute it, it's saying that see deactivation is started. This one also actually deactivated. So now yes, fully secure that this device has been unlocked. So if it is not, then let's have the once again good configuration by virtue of iTunes. What's the saying, especially this iTunes? Now it will start to access the data, and after accessing the data, we will see still it is asking your devices lost, erase, enter the plugin password that's where you used to set up this device. It's asking or not. We will see here. No, it's not saying. It's saying so welcome to a new one. So what you see, guys, here now this device is no linked any particular ID, no locked owner here on it. So just we will go for create a new plugin password. So just that option we will have to push, and upon now we have a fully opportunity to create new Apple ID, write a password, verify password according to your own choice, select the country, select the term and condition, go for continue. When we go for continue, then we 2-3 further step that we will have to execute, and upon this ID would be directly transfer on here. So how easily we can transfer. Still this device is rebooting, but however, on the other hand, everything I have finished from my side. Now reboot has been completed, so let's wait here, and we will see here still it is locked to owner or not. So now see, it came on a hello screen. 2 times it will detect a hello screen. See, select the language. Once again it came on here. Once again we will approach to here to skip. So it's taking time. Of course we will go for select the language or select the country regions, and upon just we will wait here. We will have to wait till it's not especially setting the language and the sector everything. And upon the further we have only one step that we will have to select partial setup. Don't select especially erase and the sector anything. There is a 2 options. Yes, erase and start again, and second is that continue with partial setup. So just we will pick this one, and boom. Now see what you say, guys. Here is a string, so clearly there should be no SIM card is available. Fine. If the SIM card is not available, it means if we go the inside of this, it's saying also that there is no internet connection. See, connect to the internet to the sign into your device. So means there is no internet connection. Without having the internet connection, even if you cannot especially initiate to especially operate a full device, especially after going the inside of this device, as in on a new phone, so especially guys. But here right now we have the restaurant, especially here. Now there is no link. Yes, if you click here, then it's asking an internet connection. But of course, by here writing and creating directly board options to the transfer directly new Apple ID, we can transfer here. Spontaneously, I would like to show you how the Face ID, Touch ID, everything is disabled, fine. Now, one thing more also, if we go especially photos, everything has been deleted, everything has been erased, fine. Now, if we insert the SIM card to give a signal, then what we will do guys here, we will come the virtual location. If the SIM card is not working, we will have to reach on a spatially location. It is on a true location. So just we will click on the reboot option. After we are starting, see, with the help of Jailbreak, sometimes we will lock then it is stack once again on the locked owners. But here right now, it's a permanent method. Why it shows? Because see here now, directly it will come on a home screen to especially fix it, or not the fix it, the permanently it has been fixed guys now. So enjoy a similar strategy, and of course, as a nuance you can, yes, use it. Now see here, gone. So this is all about guys. Thank you for staying the till end of this tutorials. This is the technology welfare, and I will be back with new step-by-step tutorials. So don't forget, please like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment. You have any comments and queries in those. So it really especially guys supports the channel. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.